Hi. Uh, this video is going to be, I'm going to do a different aspect today. Like, you know what? Every time our mind says something, our heart says something. We do have a lot of fears also. And also, the outcome would be so different, okay? I'm going to cover all these four topics. And also, I'm going to get you one card, okay, which is called Moonology. Okay, this is a Moonology tarot oracle card, which this will give you a glimpse of what you have to do, what it is all about. Okay, this will give you like, for example, it will give you, say, confidence is a key to your success. Okay, if not, like, balance spirituality and practicality. This is what the guidance it will give to you. So let's, without any delay, let's begin. And if you're new to my channel, kindly do subscribe to my videos. And this is going to be the general reading. I'm going to do it for the Aries. It may or may not resonate. If it does not resonate, you can skip the video. And if you want to book a personal reading with me, there is a Instagram page link, and my WhatsApp number is in the description box. You can contact me, and there is one official page of my Instagram, and my WhatsApp number is there. Personal readings are chargeable. In personal reading, I'll take your name and your date of birth. That's more than enough to do a personal reading. We will do based on that. Okay, so that you can able to get a proper guidance, proper solution, what you have to do next. Okay, this is a free will. Whether you're going to take this decision or not based on this tarot guidance, that is totally up to you. Okay, let's begin. Okay, Aries, please. What does Aries mind says? Okay. Generic one. Okay, it may be a love, it can be about money, it can be about anything. Okay, I'm going to do a general prediction. Okay, it can be about a person, it can be about the situation, it can be anything. Okay, what does Aries mind says? What does Aries mind say? Show me the two cards, please. What does Aries mind says? What does Aries heart says? Heart. What does Aries heart says? If I'm not good in English, pardon me. I'm not that great. Apologizing. What is it? Aries heart says. Two cards, please. Your heart looks very firm when compared to your mind. I suggest you to listen to your heart. What's the fear about? What is the fear is about? What is the fear is about? What is the fear is about? Fear is about a lot of grieving, I think so. Okay. What do I get here for? What do I get for Aries, please? Okay. 1 second. Aries. What is the message you want to give to Aries, please? What's the message you want to give to Aries, please? Show me the one card, please. What is the message you want to give to Aries, please? Okay, you are very close to achieving your goal. This is what I'm getting. Can you read this? And I hope you cannot. You are very close to achieving your goal. So this is what the ideology. So if at all you have fed up, okay, you're about to give up, please don't be, because you are very close to achieving your goal. Okay, what does your mind says? Mind says the devil and the five of pentacles. It may be you feel like you are trapped somewhere, you're so obsessed with your bad habits or bad behavior, something like that. And of course, I feel like you have been like somebody would have betrayed you, somebody would have ditched you or ghosted you. Okay, like betrayed, something like that. If not, I mean, I can clearly see that your mind is not stable. I can clearly see that your mind is not stable. Can you see the devil, which is telling, which is about lot of temptation, lot of this actually denotes something very negative, very negative. You are obsessed about a person. If you are obsessed about a person, yes, this is not the right person, because which it is telling you this is about a temptation or obsession about a specific person. Okay, and he or she may be not the right person, he, she, or they maybe they're not right the person for you. Okay, and let me clarify for everything, but before that I have to give a glimpse of about every cards over here. Okay, and over here your heart is very firm, your heart is very stable. Okay, and it is trying to be very loyal to you. It is giving you a very good sign, because I'm getting it here, King of Wands and the King of Swords, which is telling me you can connect it to the Leo people. Some people would connect it to the Capricorn. Okay, okay, King of Wands, King of Swords, which is telling me here. Okay, like your heart wants to pursue which is right for your uh, mind, but your mind is not at all stable. This is what your heart says. Listen to your heart. I'll give you the idea to which one you have to listen to. Listen to your heart. Okay, what's the fear is about? Fear is about, okay, I'm not getting a right, accurate thoughts about your fear, because I'm getting a Hanged Man and Six of Cups, which is telling me you may be fearing about the delays, you may be fearing about a lot of obstacles, hurdles. Okay, you may be uh, worrying or fearing about the waiting period. Okay, the action which is not taking place in your life right now. And which is also I'm getting Six of Cups, which is totally related to nostalgia moments, which is totally related to the emotions over here. A lot of fear about it. Okay, but the Moonologist study suggesting you're very close, don't give up, listen to your heart. Let me clarify. Okay, two cards. Why the devil card is here? Please clarify for light sister. What's why the devil card is here? Why the devil card is here? Why the devil is here? Which is clearly telling me for most of the people it would be related to the family commitments, relationship, because I'm quite sure, because I'm getting Ten of Cups and the Knight of Pentacles, which is suggesting me your mind wants to get into that relationship. Okay, which is no action is taking place. If not you want to get into some unhealthy relationship. Your mind is what suggesting, because there is I see like there is no action taking place. If not also that, I mean, I feel like the relationship or that proper life or that commitment life seems to be very much unhealthy for you, for some of the people. But your heart is suggesting you to take a firm decision. From the cards I can say you that. Why the Five of Pentacles is here? Why the Five of Pentacles is here? Okay, I'm getting 3, 3, Three of cups, three of pentacles, which is suggesting me there is one more person in your life, could be, or there's a third party influence would be there for you, would be interrupting, in your life, basically. Would be interrupting in your life, basically. This is what I am getting it. Okay, the mind says is there may be two or two more than two people you were enjoying, you were partying, or you were so close with one another, but your what does your mind says, it's like it's totally unhealthy. That's suggesting me it's totally unhealthy, because maybe you are with a very wrong person in your life right now. uh, I feel like that's not a very good connection, to put it very simple. I can tell you that that's a very total wrong connection. But and also for some of the people, your mind says you have to sit and work it out. For some of the people, your mind wants to sit and work it out with your relationship. I feel that you want to sit and work it out with your people. You want to do a teamwork. You want to do sit and talk with your partner, and you have to deal with the issues. For some of the people, why the King of Wands is here? Why the King of Wands is here? Why the King of Wands is here? Two cards for clarification. Why the King of Swords is here? Why the King of Swords is here? The King of Swords is here. Okay, as I have told you, remember, you are very close to achieving your goal. Your heart says sometimes you want to give up. Your heart feels like you want to give up. Your mind says you can work it out, but your heart says you want to give up. No, you are this close. You are this close. Okay, maybe the universe is trying to test you, babe or guy. Please don't give up. You are this close. If you give a push, definitely you can achieve it. Definitely you can achieve this goal. Trust me, definitely you can achieve this goal, and your intuition is telling you something. You know the answer for what you have to do in your life right now. I feel the same. So what I suggest is, you need a commitment. Your heart says you want a proper commitment, and also your heart is suggesting some intuition, some positive intuition. You want to go through that, and the King of Swords is telling me you are this close. You are this close. Please give a push. Don't have any kind of fear. Don't have any kind of anxiety. So, which is suggesting me, don't give up. Keep pushing it. You can definitely achieve it. You can definitely achieve it. Trust me. Okay. Six of Cups, which is telling me, like, maybe you feel like you want to don't give up on the person. Maybe you feel like you don't want to lose the person, something like that. That is your fear is all about. And you want to sometimes let it to the universe, and you feel like there is nothing happening in your life. That is what your fear is all about. But let me clarify why the Six of Cups is here for fears. Why the Six of Cups is here for fears. Why the Six of Cups is here for fears. As I told you, you are so worried about the waiting period. Okay, you have been waiting and waiting. There is no proper response from their side. This close, don't give up. Okay, so definitely there is a new start coming up. So don't give up. Try to understand, are you in the right path or not? Try to analyze. Try to have a proper way. Are you in the right path? Why the Hangman is here? Why the Hangman is here? The hangman, which is telling me, you want to work it out. Okay, again and again your mind and your fear is suggesting you to, we can work it out, you are this close, you don't want to give up. But sometimes you feel like, okay, like, your heart says, it feels very heavy on you because you have come across some unexpected moments in your life. Right now you have become a very introvert person. Because of this, you have become very firm and a very strict person because of this, because I could see that here. But your fear and your mind says, we can work it out, we can work it out. But at the same time, your intuition also trying to uh, warning you. Maybe that person would have ghosted you, or maybe the situation is ghosted, or maybe you're running out of money for some of the people. But your fear, can I work it out? Yes, you can work it out. If you are if you are working on the way, if it is not happening, you're this close, don't give up, you can achieve this. What's the best advice for Aries, please? What's the best advice for Aries, please? Okay, sorry, I've chosen the wrong card. What's the best advice for Aries, please? What's the best advice for Aries, please? Why the world is here? Why the world is here? Why the world is here? The advice is, there is proper imbalance is there. Two of Pentacles. Why the Two of Pentacles is here? Two of Pentacles, again, it is suggesting me the advice is, have a proper clarity, don't be so confused. Okay, have a proper balance in your life. Okay, prioritize your thing. I think you have maybe you're lacking in that, you're not doing any prioritize thing, I feel so. I want you to do the prioritize, and this will end very soon. This will end very soon. Maybe, I mean, again, I'm getting King of Wands and the Four of Swords, which is telling me rest properly, give a pass. Maybe, as I told you, like, the waiting period is giving you a lot of fear and anxiety. Don't be. You have to give it a. We should not do anything in a rush. Okay, but don't give up on what you're doing. At the time, don't rush or don't be so desperate. So this is for you guys. Hope you like the message from the oracle and the tarot cards. Thank you so much. Let's all spread only love, like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.